Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today we are going to discuss a new and exciting upcoming premium residential project which is located in North Bangalore called TVS Emerald Aurelis. In this video, we will talk about project overview, location advantages, connectivity, lifestyle amenities, apartment configuration, pricing outlook, and also the booking process for early buyers. Let's start with the project overview. So TVS Emerald Aurelis, earlier known as TVS Sathanur, is a premium residential development coming up in the fast-growing Bangalore Road corridor in North Bangalore. The project is being developed by TVS Emerald, which is the real estate arm of the well-known TVS Group, a brand known for its strong legacy, quality construction, and sustainable development practices. The project is spread across approximately 10.06 acres and will feature 12 residential towers. The buildings are planned with 2 basement, ground level and 12 floors, and the entire community will have around 975 apartments. The project will offer 2 BHK and 3 BHK homes, and one of the standout aspect here is the amount of open space. Around 71% of the development will be landscape open areas with more than 350 trees planned across the community, creating a greener and more peaceful living environment. Another interesting highlight is the 2 large clubhouses, together covering over 32,000 square feet. These clubhouses are designed with a Japandi theme which combines Japanese minimalism with a Scandinavian elegance for a modern and calming design style. The project has also received EDGE L2 pre-certification, which indicates a focus on energy efficiency and sustainable green building practices. Now let's talk about the location and connectivity. So TVS Emerald Aurelis is located on Bangalore Main Road right next to Reva University, which is one of the fastest developing education and employment hubs in North Bangalore. From the project, Bangalore Cross and Bellary Road are about 10 minutes away. Yelahanka Junction railway station is around 23 minutes away. Manyata Tech Park is roughly 24 minutes away, and Kempegowda International Airport is about 27 minutes away. Because of its proximity to the airport corridor, aerospace park, IT hub, and major educational institution, this location is quickly becoming a popular residential destination for both professional and investor. And now coming to amenities and lifestyle, the project offers more than 30 lifestyle amenities designed to create a vibrant and comfortable community environment. For entertainment and leisure, there will be a Sky Cinema, a mini theatre, billiards room, golf simulator, and a cafe with a BBQ area. For fitness and wellness, residents will have the access to 2 swimming pools, a Pilates studio, Zumba and aerobics room, and a yoga and meditation studio. For sports and recreation, the project includes a double-height badminton court and an indoor games room. There will also be several community spaces including 3 multi-purpose hall and an indoor kids play area, ensuring that families have plenty of spaces to relax and socialize. And now let's take a look at the apartment configuration and sizes. The 2 BHK apartment come with a 2 bathroom and range from approximately 1110 to 1223 square feet. For 3 BHK homes, there are 2 options. The 3 BHK with a 2 bathroom ranges from about 1510 to 1588 square feet, while the 3 BHK with a 3 bathroom ranges from approximately 1892 to 2123 square feet. The expected pricing is around 13,500 rupees to 14,000 rupees per square feet onwards. The apartments are designed with an efficient layout, spacious living room, large windows, and modern interiors, making them suitable for contemporary family living. Now coming to the booking process, so currently the developer is offering 2 EOI options for early buyers. The standard EOI requires a 1 lakh rupees token amount, which allows buyers to select their preferred unit and is fully refundable. And the other one is the Elite EOI, requires a 5 lakh rupees token, which allows buyers to immediately block their preferred unit, but this option is non-refundable. Entering the project at an early stage often give buyers advantage like better pricing, priority unit selection, and a special launch phase offers. So if you would like the latest pricing details, brochure, floor plans, or want to schedule a site visit, you can check the contact number provided in the description below. Our NRI clients from the US, UK, UAE, Singapore, and Europe can also connect with us for virtual presentation. If you enjoy watching premium real estate project and investment insights, don't forget to subscribe to the Property Cloud channel and press the bell icon. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.